Looking to create an avatar on WhatsApp but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating and using your avatar with your friends step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Before creating an avatar, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store on Android. Search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap Update. Once updated, proceed to create your avatar. Step 2. Creating avatar. Open WhatsApp. Tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap on Avatar. Now tap on Create Your Avatar. Tap on Get Started. Next, select Take a Photo. Click a selfie. Choose a skin tone. If you want to edit further, tap on to make more edits. Here you can select hairstyles, dresses, eyebrows, etc. Otherwise, click on Save. And that's it. You've successfully created your avatar. Want more tips and tricks for WhatsApp? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.